Are you tired of going through sample packs to find the perfect kick drum? Well, here's a quick way to design your own kicks. I like to think of kick drums as having 3 different components. You have the sub of the kick, the mid-range, which is like the body of the kick, and then you have the top, which adds presence to the kick. So what I like to do is layer sounds for each of these components to form my own kick drum. So in this example, I have 2 different kick drums and a click sound, and individually they sound like this. There's a 909 kick, there's a sort of knocking kick, and then a click, which is pretty faint. I want to use the sub from the 909, the mids from the knocking click, and then the top end from the click. So to do that, I have a low pass filter on the 909. So that's taking out all the high frequencies. And then on the knocking kick, I have a low pass and a high pass, which is just shaping it so that there's just the mid range. And then on the click, just having a little bit of EQ on the top end just to take out the super high frequencies. So now I'll turn them on one by one, and you can see how they all stack up. So here's just the 909. Now with the knocking, and then the click. And then all those sounds are grouped and bussed into an EQ as well as a drum bus just to shape the sound a little bit more and then fatten it up.